Hello everyone, so today is 28th of August and in this video we are going to discuss some MCQs which are important for your TestNet examination and XAT and IFT examinations. So we are coming up with something called Insight into Courses. So this year we have some 84 final selections in TEST who enroll to our courses. So if you want to enroll to our courses, you can text me at 7764869624. There are courses for Quant, English as well as GK. Now coming to this thing, Insight into Courses. Now why this is important? Because this year I have found that because of lack of knowledge, most of the students, they are unable to choose the correct course. What happens is in this you will have 3 choices and you will have to give preference to those choices. And this year, because lack of guidance, some 5 to 6 students selected that course order incorrectly, and that is why although they had qualified the cutoff of a particular course, they were unable to choose that course because the preference order was incorrect. So that should not happen, number one. Number two, many students are totally not aware what sort of courses are available at TISS. For example, you can see here there is a course at TISS Guwahati, that is Peace and Conflict Studies. This is a very good course. If you will see, you have similar course at JNU, and here also you have Peace and Conflict Studies. So nobody knows about this particular course, and that is why they do not apply, but you should be knowing this. So what is the difference between Master of Hospital Administration and Master of Health Administration? What are the other courses of MPH, and which should you prefer, or which aligns with your interest? That is something very important. Otherwise, you may commit the same mistake and will have to repent later. And those of you who have enrolled to our courses will get all the guidance about the courses, which course to choose and how to choose. Now coming to the first question for today, it says find the odd one out. And you have 4 players. They are Aditi Ashok, then Subhankar Sharma, C says Pankaj Advani, and D says Jeev Milkha Singh. So one among them is odd one out, and that odd one out you have to recognize. So who is Aditi Ashok? So she basically missed a bronze medal by a whisker. She is a golf player and she missed a bronze medal in the Olympic. And Subhankar Sharma is also a golf player. Jeev Milkha Singh, who is the son of Milkha Singh, is also a golf player. While Pankaj Advani is just snooker player. So as you can see, all are golf player. So this very question I found because Subhankar Sharma was in today's newspaper, The Hindu. Now coming to second question. It says who is the author of the book Oneness versus the 1%? So this particular book was in news in The Hindu today. So A says Varshini Prakash, B says Vandana Shiva, C says Sunita Narayan, and D says Anupam Mishra. So you should be knowing something about all of them. They are all important. Varshini Prakash is important. Vandana Shiva is important. Sunita Narayan is important. Also Anupam Mishra is important. So the answer to this will be Vandana Shiva. And I have talked about Vandana Shiva a lot many times earlier also. So she is the author of this particular book and she is an environmentalist. Now coming to third question, it says this is the only Ramsar site in the state of Assam which was recently given eco-sensitive zone status. A says Deeporville, B says Loktak Lake, C says Somoriri Lake, and D says Hokera Wetland. The answer to this will be, so in the Hindu it is written Deeporville. So Deeporville is nothing, Deeporville it is called. Either D-I-P-O-R or D-E-E-P-O-R, Deeporville. Now come to fourth question. It is important. Haqqani Network is a guerrilla insurgent group operational in which of the following country? A says Afghanistan, B says Yemen, C says Syria, and D says Palestine. So the answer for this will be Afghanistan. And you might be knowing that Taliban is in news. So the main focus is on Taliban, but you should be also knowing about this particular group. So come to fifth question. It says Dimsa National Security Force is an insurgent group operational in which of the following state? A says Mizoram, B says Meghalaya, C says Sikkim, and D says Assam. So the answer for this will be Assam. So yesterday what has happened? 5 truck drivers were killed in Assam. 5 killed, truck set ablaze by suspect extremist in Assam. Now come to the 7th question. It says Sense and Solidarity is a book written by. So the title of book is Sense and Solidarity, Jholawala Economics for Everyone. A says Amartya Sen, B says Kaushik Basu, C says Abhijit Banerjee, and D says Jean Drèze. So the answer to this will be Jean Drèze. And generally what happens, Jean Drèze writes book with Amartya Sen, but here Amartya Sen is not there. Okay. Now coming to 8th question, it says A. Kanyakumari is a proponent of. A says Nadaswaram, B says Ghatam, C says Veena, and D says violin. So the answer to this will be violin. And she was in news. There was a story about her in the Hindu. That is why she is quite important. Now this was all for today. If you want to enroll to our courses, you can do that at 7764869624. Where not only we will teach you GK, but apart from that we will give you a lot of guidance which will help you in the further round and also in ticking or choosing the right courses. So thank you, thanks for watching.